Hello students, good morning. Jai Swaminarayan. All of you, welcome to class 4 in Atmiya Green School. My name is Prajakta and I am your math teacher. So now we will start lesson number 7, metric measurements. So student, what you had learned our last classes. So first we will see what you had learned our last classes. So all of you know very well what you had learned our last classes. First, you had learned about the recall exercise. In this topic, we had learned convert into the unit. For example, 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. This is the liter is the which unit? This is liter is using the capacity. Okay. Then after, in which unit will you measure the following? Which unit you are using for measuring? For example, the height of the tree. So when we are measuring the height of the tree, how measure? We are measuring into the centimeter. Then example means question number 3, put the correct on the closest measurements. Okay, measures. Distance you can jog in 1 hours. So 1 hour's distance jog is measuring into the kilometers. Then next is the metric units. So in this topic we had learned about the measuring of length, mass and capacity. So in the length, which is the unit is the basic unit, meter is the basic unit. In the mass gram is the basic unit, and in the capacity liter is the basic units. Okay, so this is the 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeter, 10 centimeter equal to 1 decimeter, 10 decimeter equal to 1 meters, 10 meters equal to 1 decameters, 1 decameters equal to 1 hectometers, 10 hectometers equal to 1 kilometer. This is the units of length. Okay, so which first is the millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meters, decameters and hectometers, and last is the kilometer. Then next is the mass, measuring of mass. So mass is measuring in the kilograms, centigrams, decigrams, grams, decagrams, hectograms, 1 kilogram. 10 milligrams equal to 1 centigrams, 10 centigrams equal to 1 decigrams, 10 decigrams equal to 1 grams, 10 grams equal to 1 decagrams, 10 decagrams equal to 1 hectograms, 10 hectograms equal to 1 kilogram. This is the unit of mass. Then measuring of the capacity. When we are measuring the capacity of the things, so how to measure? Milliliters, centiliter, deciliters, liters, decaliters, hectoliters and kiloliters. 10 milliliter equal to 1 centiliter, 10 centiliters equal to 1 deciliters, 10 deciliters equal to 1 liter, 10 liters equal to 1 decaliters, 10 decaliters equal to 1 hectoliters, 10 hectoliters equal to 1 kiloliter. So this is the unit of capacity. Then here is the highest, basic and lowest unit. Okay, so which is the lowest unit? Millimeters, centimeters, decimeter, this is the lowest unit. Meters is the basic unit. Decameters, hectometers, kilometer, this is the higher unit. Here in the mass, milligram, centigram, decigram, this is the lowest. Gram is the basic unit. Decagram, hectogram, kilogram, this is the highest unit. Then milliliter, centiliter, deciliter, this is the lowest unit of the liters. Then liters is the basic unit. Then decaliter, hectoliter and kiloliter, this is the highest unit. Then after we had learned conversions of metric unit. Okay, so look at here, commonly using some units in the length commonly using meter, centimeter, millimeters and kilometer. This is commonly used, okay, for measuring the length. And in the weight. In the weight commonly use grams, kilogram. What? Grams and kilogram. And in the capacity commonly use liter and milliliters. So this is conversion of metric unit. So we had learned that our last periods 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. When we are converted higher to lower unit, that time we are multiplying. Okay, means 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, 1 meter, this is the highest unit comparing to centimeter unit. So that's why 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. When we are converted meter into centimeter, that time we are multiply 100. So look at example. Convert 8 meter to centimeter. So now we will multiply 100. 8 into 100 centimeter equal to 800 centimeter. When we are converted centimeter into the millimeter, that time we are multiply 10. For example, convert 7 centimeter to millimeter. Now we will multiply 7 into 10 millimeter. So we will get millimeter. When we are convert 1 kilometer into this is meters. Okay, when we are converted kilometer into the meter, that time we are multiply the 1000. For example, convert 5 kilo to meters. So now we will multiply 1000. 5 into 1000 meters equal to 5000 meters. Okay, so that all in the exercise 7.2. Then after we had learned conversions of length lower to highest unit. Here is the highest to lowest unit, and now here lowest to highest. Okay, when we are converted lowest to highest in units, that time we are divide number. Okay, for example, look at there. 100 centimeters equal to 1 meters. Okay, 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. So now to convert the centimeter to meter, divide the 100. For example, look at there. Convert 675 centimeter into meter and centimeter. Now we will be, look at here, 675 centimeter, that we are dividing into the 600 plus 70 centimeter. After dividing 600 by 100, so now 0 is cancelled. Now 6 meter plus 75 centimeter. Now here we are divided by 100. Now look at here. Convert 66 millimeter into centimeter and millimeter. Now that 66 millimeter, that we are converted into the 60 and 6. Okay, now 60. Okay, 60 divided by, this is we are converted millimeter into centimeter. When we are converted millimeters into the centimeter, that time we are divided 10. So now 66 we are converted 60. Okay, so 60 divided by 10. 60 divided by 10, because that we are converted into the centimeter. Now 100 cancel. Now what balance? 6 centimeter and here 6 millimeter. So what is the answer getting? 6 centimeter, 6 millimeter. Then next is the convert the kilometer into the meter, which is the value 3848. Now when we are converted meter into the kilometer, that time we are divided 1000. So now look at there, that 3848 we are converted into the 3000 plus 848. Now we will divide by 1000. After dividing 1000 this value, now 0 is cancelled. Now what is the balance? 3 kilometer 848 meter. Now we will get answer 3 kilometer 848 meter. Okay, so this is the lowest to highest unit. Now look at here, conversions of weight. Okay, this is the unit of length. Now weight. So which is the unit of the weight? Gram. Okay, so 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams. 1 kilograms equal to 1000 gram. To convert from kg to gram means kilogram to grams, multiply the 1000. This is the highest unit. Okay, and this is the lowest unit, means comparison to kilogram. When we are converted, look at it, when we are converted highest to lowest unit, this is the lowest unit and this is the highest unit and this is the lowest unit. Look at it, kilogram is the highest comparing to grams. So what is the distance between that kilogram to grams? Distance have a 3 numbers distance. So that's why we are writing 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. When we are converted kilogram into the gram, that time we are multiply 1000, and when we are converted gram into the kilogram, because this is the lowest unit and this is the highest unit. When we are converted lowest to highest, that time we are divided 1000. Okay, so now look at here, example number 1, convert 3 kilogram to grams. Now this is the kilogram to gram. Kilogram is the highest unit comparing to gram. So now in this case we are multiply the 1000. 3 kilograms equal to 3 into 1000 gram. After multiply we will get 3000 gram. Now look at in example number B. Timmy is a dog. His height is a 2 kilogram 475 grams. So how many gram is that? So here is the kilogram converted into the grams. When we are converted kilogram into the gram, that time we are the multiply 1000. Okay, now look at here, 2 into 1000 equal to 2000 gram, plus here is the 475 gram. Now 2000 gram plus 475 gram equal to 2475 gram. How much getting? 2475 grams. Okay, so this is the weight of Timmy dogs. Now this is the convert highest to lowest unit. Now look at here, kg and gram. Example number 2. Convert the gram into the kg and gram. This is the lowest unit comparing to kilograms. Okay, so when we are we are converted gram into the kilogram, that time we are divide by 1000. So now here is the 555. Now we will write here 4000 gram plus 555 grams. Now we want to convert this. So now 4000 divided by 100 kilogram. When we are converted gram into kilogram, that time we are divided by 1000. So look at there, now 0 is cancelled. So how much balance? 4 kilogram equal to 555 grams. So now here is the 5 now. Here is the now 4 kilogram 555 grams. So what is the answer coming? 4 kilogram 555 grams. Okay. Now look at in exercise 7.4. So convert into the gram. This is the highest unit, kilogram. Now that highest unit converted into the grams means this is the lowest unit. When we are converted kilogram into the gram, that time we are multiply 100. So look at here. Fifteen into 1000 gram. 15 into 1000 gram. After multiply 15 into the 1000, we will get 15,000 grams. So how much getting answer? 15,000 gram. Now look at example number 2. What is the example number 2? 10 kilogram 500 gram, that converted into the grams. So look at here. 10 kilogram 500 grams. So 10 kilogram means 10 into 1000 gram. Now we want to convert kilogram into the gram, and that 500 already in the gram. So that's why we are writing plus 500 gram. Now 10 into 1000 gram equal to 10,000 grams. 10,000 gram plus 500 grams equal to 10,500 grams. So how much getting answer? 10,500 grams. Now look at here example 3. Example number 3. This is the homework for you. Okay, example number 3 आपको solve करना है. Now look at example number 4. What is the example number 4? When Maria was born, her weight was a 3 kilogram 100 grams. मारिया का जब बॉर्न हो गया था तब उसका वेट कितना था? 3 किलोग्राम्स 100 ग्राम्स था. मतलब कितने ग्राम की थी वो? सो नाउ लुक एट हियर. 3 kilogram 100 grams equal to 3 into 1000 grams. 3 into 1000 grams plus 100 grams. Now 3 into 1000 grams equal to 3000 grams plus 100 grams. After adding 3000 plus 1000 gram, we will get 3100 grams. So how much weight of the Maria? Maria weight Maria weight was 3100 grams. Okay. Now look at in example number 5. So what is the example number 5? Maria is now 10 year old. ठीक है. मारिया का जब बॉर्न हो गया था तब उसका वेट कितना था? 3 किलोग्राम 100 ग्राम्स था. 3 किलोग्राम 100 ग्राम्स था. बट नाउ मारिया इज़ द 10 ईयर ओल्ड. मारिया अभी 10 ईयर की और उसका वेट कितना है? 15 किलोग्राम 1 ग्राम है. मतलब वो कितने ग्राम की है? सो फॉर दैट वी विल डू, लुक एट हियर, 15 into 1000 gram. 15 into 1000 grams plus 1 gram. 15 into 1000 gram equal to 15,000 ग्राम. अभी जब हमने 15 को 1000 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया तो कितना आंसर आ गया है? 15,000 आ गया. 15,000 प्लस 1 ग्राम. आफ्टर एडिंग 15,000 gram plus 1 gram, so we will get 15,001 gram. So now how much weight of the Maria? Now Maria weight is the 15,001 gram. Okay, so now look at here example number 6. Okay, example number 6 and 3. This is the homework for you. What is the homework for you? Example number 3 and 6, and that all question answer where you write in your notebook. Now look at question number B. So what is the question number B? Convert into the kilogram and grams. Now we want to convert gram into the kilograms and grams. So student, what is the rules of the when we are converted gram into the kilogram? When we are converted gram into the kilogram, that time we are divide by 100. That time we are divide by 1000, not 100. That time we are divide 1000. So now look at in example number 1. So what is the example number 1? 3000 grams. Okay, now that 3000 converted into the kilogram and grams. So now look at here. 3000 grams equal to 3000 divided by 1000 kilogram. That 1000 divided by 1000 means kilogram. According to our rules, when we are converted grams into the kilogram, that time we are divide the 1000. So now 3000 divided by 1000. Now here is the 30, means that 0 is cancelled. Okay, 3000 and 1000. Now 0 is cancelled. So now how much balance? 3 kilogram. So we will get answer 3 kilogram. Now example number 2. What is the example number 2? 1970 gram converted into the kilogram. So first we are that 1970 grams converted into the 1970 forms. Okay, so now look at there. 1000 gram plus 970 grams. Now that gram we will convert it into the kilogram. So according to our rules, when we are converted gram into the kilogram, that time we are divide by 1000. 1000 divided by 1000. 1000 divided by 1000, how much? 1 kilograms. 1 kilograms and 970 grams. So how much getting answer? 1 kilogram 970 gram. 1 kilogram 970 gram. Now look at in example number 3 is the homework for you. What is the homework for you? Example number 3 is the homework and example number 6 also homework. Now I will solve example number 4 and 5. Nasir desktop computer weight 8080 grams. Okay, Nasir's डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर का वेट है 8080 ग्राम्स. नाउ वी विल कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द kilograms and grams. So now look at here. When we are converted grams into the kilograms, so first we are that 8800 converted into the 1000 and 1000 form. Okay, so look at that. This is 1000 form and this is 100 form. So we will write that 8000 grams plus 80 grams. So now look at there. 8000 divided by 1000 kilogram. When we are converted gram into kilogram, that time we are divide 1000. Okay, so 8000 divided by 1000 kilogram plus 80 grams. Now 0 will be cut. So 0 is cutting. So how much balance? 8 kilogram and 80 grams. So Nasir's computer's weight is the, how much weight of the computer? 8 kilogram 80 grams. Now look at example number 5. Nasir's weight is 20,005 grams. So now we will convert it kilograms and grams. Now that 20,005 we are converted into the 1000 forms and that 5, okay, that ones form. So 20,000 grams plus 5 grams. Now that 20,000 divided by 1000 kilograms. So when we are converted gram into the kilograms, okay, that time divide by 1000. Now 0 is cancelled. So how much balance? 20 kilogram and 5 gram. So how much weight of the Nasir? Nasir weight is the 20 kilograms 5 grams. So this is the exercise 7.4. I hope all of you nicely understood exercise 7.4. So what is the homework for you? Homework for you from question number A, 3 and 6. From question number B, homework for you 3 and 6. And that question answer you will be write in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.